That's rude. He's all this embarrassing. Hello. Oh my god. Hello. Stella's been really annoying today, so you're gonna go. Bye. Let go of my jacket. Okay, bye. So today I'm going to be doing a Bantu knot out on my hair. And she's back. Today I'm doing a Bantu knot out on my hair. Sorry if I come off really low energy today and I look really tired. Let me close this because my sister is watching a movie downstairs. But I'm about to start my period, and you know how it is whenever you're about to start. You just feel real low energy, really testy, and that's how I feel. So bear with me. All right. So first things first. I am the realist. But oh, I gotta get my water, my hair water. Duh. So what I usually do is I start at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is low-key section out my hair. I like to do medium-sized ones. Usually do about 10 to 12 Bantu knots because you have to take them out in the morning, and also you have to sleep on them, so less is more. And I like how it looks. So that's my business, innit? I should probably be describing this to you guys. So I just wet it a little bit, dampen it, and usually I stretch out the ends because you want the ends to be more flat. Nothing worse than having like really tangled ends that don't even match. So yeah, try and stretch those out, take some of those curls out, because it's not gonna make sense. And sometimes I do the two-strand. I do a two-strand twist and then I twist it up into a Bantu knot, but I like how these ones turn out better whenever I just twist it. Looks more seamless. But the cons of this one is, oh, and then I twist it around my finger at the end, and then I just wrap it at the very bottom really tight, so it's going nowhere. See that? I'm gonna do the rest and then I'll come back on screen in a second. So hello, I look crazy. This is what my hair is looking like so far. Yes. I have my little lock hanging. Period. So this is what it looks like. This is how I do my parts. I do kind of like 2 on the side. Oh my god, look crazy. I do 2 on the side, 2 on the bottom, like 2 in the middle, and 4. So it's like 4 square in the middle of my head right here. And then I do 2 up here. So that's 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So I'm gonna have 10 exactly. Wow, that was a lot of work just to count. Look at my breakage up front. I always have breakage up here. Whenever I dye my hair, this is the first part to go. So this is why you should dye your hair up front like this, because your hair will break if you don't take care of it. Like if you have some Olaplex or whatever to like restore the like protein bonds or whatever, I'm sure it'll be fine, but I don't do that because I don't be caring really. Okay, there. Now what I do is I stretch my hair out because we're trying to get our hair as much as elongated as we possibly can. That was so hard for me to say a simple thing, but I just stretch it, brush my hair, hands through. Doing this other side. And you want it to be damp You don't want it to be like sopping wet because it's gonna take forever to dry. And it probably won't dry in the morning. So just get it wet enough that it's malleable. And then just get the middle a little bit because that's still a little dry. Okay, so you're stretching it out, and make sure you stretch out the ends as well, because make them nice and flat if you can. Okay, and then a little bit of shedding. And then after you're done stretching it out, you grab it like you're about to do a ponytail, but then you twist it at the roots really tight, and then you just make sure that's secure. And you, as you twist it, you're twisting it like portions at a time, kind of like making sure it's flat, laying flat on each other. So like you're grabbing over and flattening it, grabbing it over, flattening it, so it's nice and flat. See, not much is sticking out. And you do that all the way until the end. Wet the end a little bit more, and you just twist it a little bit more until it like almost wants to buckle, and then you twist it around under itself every time, and then wrap this around your fingers as you're about to finish it. Wrap it around one good time, and then secure at the very bottom, nice and neat. And you don't want it too tight because like you're supposed to be sleeping in this, and you want it, dang, and you want to be comfortable in your sleep. So obviously don't do it too tight. Plus it's not good for your hair follicles. You're gonna pull your hair out. And then you're gonna be bald headed and not have any hair to do Bantu knot out. Okay. So just don't even do it. Alright. One last time. Sorry. Okay. Nice and flat. And the reason why you want it nice and flat is because you're gonna have better definition, and it's gonna look more stretched out. So, and you're gonna have great volume. Boom. And then just twist it till it starts to buckle. Twist it around. Go ahead, bring it around town. You might want to have to retighten it throughout with your finger. Then boom. That's it. Then Bob's your uncle. Cute. And then you just throw on your bonnet of salvation. Ooh, this is kind of hard. My hands are a little bit sticky from the gel. Oh my gosh. This thing is tight. And it's going nowhere. Nowhere. Yes, y'all like my necklace? I got it from this black-owned business. It says Capricorn, she a Capricorn. Yes, the business called what's it called? Soulful Vibes. Yes. I like to keep a sample. So anyways, I'm doing too much. I hope that was helpful. I don't think I'm very good at tutorials, so if that was not good, just tell me what I need to do different. I'll change. I got open ears. I got 2 of them too. So yeah, let me know. I do want to do like a skin update soon. Well, I'm dealing with hyperpigmentation because I have a really big problem with that, and I have acne prone skin. Acne prone skin is so bad, especially having hyperpigmentation, because even if you don't touch the pimple or anything, it's still gonna scar. That's rude. Anyways, but I got this product and maybe in a month my acne scars will be gone, like my hyperpigmentation will be gone. We'll see. If you see my acne scars just disappearing, say something and I'll give you an update. I'll give you a little tutorial, a little what I did, a little, you know, a little secret sauce. Yeah. We'll get into it. Hi. I gotta take my little China bumps out, you know. That's what my auntie calls them. Why am I tightening this one up again? It's been several days later. Jesus. All these motorcycles come right when I record. How rude. So first off, my scalp has been so dry. Do you see?
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that?
Wash my hair tomorrow. Anyways, my scalp's been so dry. I'm not gonna approve this, but I'm about to get some jojoba oil and put it on my scalp only, because I get dry scalp and this helps a lot. I'm not putting it on my actual hair, guys. I'm putting it on my scalp. I use jojoba oil specifically because it's the closest oil to your natural sebum, so that's why I'm using this one. And I'm just putting it on my parts, and that's it, not on my actual strands. So technically that's not a part of the detox, but I gotta do stuff that's for my scalp, y'all. So what I do is I just untwist them. They should come out rather easily. That one didn't turn out too well. Just twist in the opposite direction that you twisted them. They should come right out. Yeah, that's a good one. See? Alright, so what I usually do to like get the definition that I like, I just like kind of break it in half. Break it in half again. Oh, I might have to wet this because my... Oh, no. Oh my gosh, how is that? Here you go. Anyways, I'm gonna spritz it. The gel kind of clumped. Y'all see that? A little bit, yeah. I ain't never done that before, and I only have gel. That's all I have in my hair right now, and I didn't put any oil on my actual hair strand, so it should not be doing that. This is about to be a fail. Living like a Derek. Okay. A little disappointing, but not bad.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
Maybe would have been okay if I had less gel, but that's the only thing. I don't know. Anyways, this is how it turned out. Palm all, not bad. This is profile in the back.
Ew.
Not bad. Could be worse, could be better. Come see, come saw. Anyways, let me know if you've been experiencing dry scalp like me. Hey y'all, okay, so it's several days later. This is what my hair is looking like. Yeah, this is a Bantu knot out, but this is, I redid the Bantu knot again, same method. Didn't use water this time, just did it dry because it was already stretched out. And it turned out better this time. I like mine to look fluffy, not so defined. I like my hair look like a cloud with like weird kind of ringlet things going on a little bit. That's what I aspire to have. Can I speak English? Not really. But yeah, what do you think? You can hear my sister downstairs singing. But yeah, you see a little shine to it. Anyways, that's all I wanted to say. Give a final update. I'm gonna upload this in a minute. Actually, tomorrow. I'm gonna put it on queue though. But yeah. Cute. Anyways, I have nothing else to say. So, you know the usual. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, and that's sing a lot. Okay. Stay safe, wash your hands, and get vaccinated. Okay, bye.